The 2026 Cadillac CT5-V Blackwing is the ultimate expression of modern American performance luxury, a rare and potent blend of raw power, sophisticated technology, and refined craftsmanship. As Cadillac's flagship high-performance sedan, the CT5-V Blackwing continues to push boundaries, offering enthusiasts a thrilling driving experience wrapped in an elegant executive package. The 2026 CT5-V Blackwing evolves its aggressive styling while retaining a sense of executive composure. Cadillac designers have sharpened the lines and enhanced the aerodynamic profile with updated LED lighting signatures, revised air intakes, and a newly sculpted front splitter. Every element on the car's exterior is functional: downforce enhancing, cooling optimized, or weight-saving carbon fiber is generously used on the hood, front splitter, rear diffuser, and optional carbon rear spoiler. These components not only reduce weight, but also communicate the car's performance intent. New wheel designs, wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport Forest tires, further amplify the Blackwing's muscular stance. At the heart of the 2026 CT5-V Blackwing lies a supercharged 6.2-liter LT4 V8 engine, a hand-built masterpiece producing an astonishing 668 horsepower and 659 lb-ft of torque. This powerhouse remains one of the most powerful engines ever fitted to a Cadillac production car. Whether accelerating from a stoplight or blasting down a back straight, the Blackwing delivers relentless thrust accompanied by a thunderous, spine-tingling exhaust note. The standard 6-speed manual transmission, an increasingly rare feature in this segment, continues to be a hallmark of the Blackwing experience. It offers a direct connection between driver and machine, enhanced by features like automatic rev matching and no-lift shifting. For those seeking convenience with no performance penalty, the optional 10-speed automatic transmission delivers lightning-fast shifts and improved fuel efficiency. With launch control and a finely tuned rear-wheel drive chassis, the CT5-V Blackwing can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.4 seconds with the automatic and around 3.8 seconds with the manual. Top speed exceeds 200 mph, placing it firmly in supercar territory as Cadillac continues its journey toward an all-electric future. The CT5-V Blackwing serves as a fitting crescendo to an era of high-octane brilliance. It's a modern-day muscle car in a tuxedo, an iron fist in a leather glove, proving once and for all that America can build a sports sedan to rival the best from Europe.